welcome back to my channel. Today my kids are going to show you a video on the Poopsie Surprise Unicorn slime toy that we got them.
Well, let's open it.
Then this one comes off.
You pull right here just like this, and it keeps on wrapping around.
All of the packages were attached to this foil, and all I have to do is pull them off.
But here's the unicorn food. Here's the unicorn magic, the unicorn shimmer, and the unicorn sparkles. Here's the unicorn diaper, and here's the unicorn shirt.
And here's the cup, brush, and the container to keep the slime in, which is also a little poop. One,
Let's see.
3.
Oh yes! It's my one. It's the one. Oh, I think that was the one. Look at the inside.
I don't know what its name is.
Can I see the inside?
But alright, so we got Poopsie Surprise. Here's a cup.
Instructions. This is the. First, we need to open up the unicorn shimmer and then feed it to her. Oh, that is so pretty.
Before we feed her, we have to flip her upside down. And there's 2 little switches here. The feeding one and the rocking one. Because we're gonna feed her, we have to turn it to the feeding one. And it's really hard to push, and you'll kind of feel like a click.
Now we're going to take this spoon and take the glitter, and then you're going to just put in her mouth.
And you have to kind of turn it just so it kind of gets in there good. Now take it out.
You turn it out of the way. You turn it so it's
there we go. So we emptied out the rest of the glitter that was left, and we filled the cup of water up to 5 milliliters, the line there, and we're gonna pour it into there and feed her.
there. And then we're just going to cut this off and pour the food in.
Fill the water up to the top of the line, and we're just going to pour it in carefully. Whoa, it's pink.
Whoa, I guess
or
it
red.
Pink slime. Guess we're making pink slime or red.
Doesn't smell. It just smells like the cup, the plasticky, rubbery. Then we're just going to close this up really good.
Put your finger on the
And we're going to put our finger on the straw and shake it up.
We're going to put the straw all the way into her mouth and then gently squeeze it to feed her.
Make sure it goes in all the way. It doesn't really sit well on this. You gotta hold it.
Make sure all of it gets in. It
It
sounds so funny.
It's all done. We put her into rocking position, and now we're just going to shake her around for a little bit. If she did have her diaper on, make sure you take it off before you put her down the toilet.
And now let's press the button to see her poop.
Press it over.
It's hard. Let's check.
It's coming out here. Nothing's coming out. For some reason, while we're pushing the button, the slime isn't coming out. So we're going to turn on the back and take the slime out of the back compartment.
Whoa, can I feel that? Oh, no. Oh, thanks. Oh, good.
You have to mix it up.
It stuck to me. Whoa,
It's a mix of
really sticky.
We just added in the Unicorn Magic, only half a packet, and now we're going to start mixing it up.
Oh, this feels so cool. I want to poke it.
Oh, I made bubbles. It's a little rubbery, almost like.
It's a little bit too thin.
So cool.
Like, it's a little bit too soft.
Just like that, and then you can close it up. It's not closing.
Let's put it in the wrong way.
We just put her compartment back into her and we put her on feeding mode. And this is also filled up for water, and we're going to put it into her mouth and put the water in so we clean out all the slime.
Now I'm going to take the little cleaning tool and put it in her mouth and clean it out. I see the water.
Probably going to spill.
Okay, now we're going to push out her belly button where all the water can get cleaned out.
All the waters came out.
Good
I guess
job.
the bottom's just released.
I think about this project that it was really cool and really, the slime was really like stretchy. I think it's interesting, but also it kind of is hard to work.
It was hard, very messy. I wouldn't exactly recommend it, but it was still fun to do.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now let me give you some background information about this whole thing. First of all, in my house, slime is not allowed in any form. I have put my kids on a complete and total slime ban because I find personally that slime is disgusting. Kids love it, it's fun to play with, it's ooey and gooey. To me, it's a dirty, germy cesspool that everything, bacteria, dog hair, everything just gets stuck in and it's gross. Then it gets stuck in my carpets, it gets stuck on the tables, it's on the walls, it's staining things, it's a mess. So we don't allow slime. It's done. But when I saw a commercial for this thing, I'm like, oh my God, that's probably gonna end up being like the it toy of the year. So I told my husband, and we were fortunate enough to be able to get it from Amazon at regular price before it got jacked up because we got it just in time when they restocked the products. Now this thing is going for upwards of $100. Regardless of how I feel about slime, which I hate, I did not like this toy. My kids were struggling with it so much. I'm editing this video so heavily because, oh my goodness, I had to stop and fix it so many times. First of all, when we poured the stuff in its mouth, it spilled out. And I made sure each time that it was on the right setting for the back here. But to get to this setting, I thought maybe the head would turn, but it doesn't turn. So you have to like tip it upside down or flip it around because the hair is in the way and get to the setting. The knob here is really hard to turn. So that was one thing. Then trying to shake it up, everything came spewing out all over. And again, I made sure that the dial here was on locked position. It just made a mess. When it was time to push the belly button to see the poop come out, the big, you know, the grand finale of it, the big surprise that the unicorn actually pooped slime, it didn't work. The belly button wouldn't push, so we ended up having to open up the back compartment to take it out. And there goes the whole point of this product, seeing it poop. Yes, my kids did enjoy playing with the slime. And yes, I said they could have it for the day or two, but it has to stay in the kitchen, on the kitchen table, on a work mat, so it's not getting all over the place. But other than that, this thing was extremely disappointing. If you guys had a better experience or a similar experience with this, let me know. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. You will definitely hear back from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe, check me out on Instagram, and have a good day. Bye.